Hey guys, this is Steve Harris from MuseThemes.com. Today I want to demo our new e-commerce widget, which plugs your Muse site directly into an e-commerce system called Sellfy. Sellfy allows you to sell digital downloads, products like ebooks, graphics, images, with very minimal setup. We like this solution because aside from the fact that it's really easy to set up, it's also highly effective and it integrates some of the best payment processors out there. So first, let's take a look at the Venture template, which is a template we're going to release to feature this widget. So you can see I have a Buy Now button here, and the nice thing about this Buy Now button that differentiates this widget from others is that the price is included right in the widget. So if you update the price on the Sellfy backend, it's going to update directly in your Muse site. If we click Buy Now, you can see that we get this nice JavaScript pop-up, in which case we click the Buy Now button and it directs us right to a PayPal checkout screen. So that's pretty slick. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we've included another version of the widget where if you click Buy Now, it actually opens up in a brand new page. So this gives you a little more room to put some sample information in, some product images, that sort of thing. So it's a cool system. Let's take a look at how it works. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a Sellfy account. It literally takes 1 minute. You don't have to enter any credit card info or anything like that. So let's just log into my account and we'll click Sign In. And once we do that, we land on the dashboard. Now this is a really nice dashboard because it's going to show you all your sales right here, but you can also see things like product views and some other stats. Let's go over to My Products on the left here, and what we're going to do is add a new product. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop a file here or select a file that you're actually going to sell. So I'm just going to drag an image in there. Let's use this product image that it's just a couple of chairs, it's just a demo image, and let's drag this in and it's going to upload quickly. Okay, while that's uploading, let's create a name for this product. So I'll call it Muse Themes Video Sample. Let's set a price. Right now it's set for 90 cents. We'll go $99 US. Now we need to create a preview for the product. So this can be a video, YouTube, Vimeo. You can do a SoundCloud link, or of course you can just select an image. So I'm just going to select the same image as our preview. Okay. Now the last thing you need to do is you need to create a little description. So we'll just call this Muse Themes Sample Video Product. There. And that's it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is click Create Product. Once we've created the product, the last thing we need to do is just link it to our Muse site. And you can see on your product page, there's this link that says Buy Now link. And within it, you get some code and you get a link. But you don't need to worry about this because our widget takes care of all of this for you. The only thing you need to note on this page is this 4-character string here. It says 2RGM. That's the product ID for your product within Sellfy. So if we jump back to Muse, let's just create a new page. And let's drag and drop our widget out on the canvas. So we'll select the Sellfy e-commerce widget from our toolbox, drag it out, and you can see that we have a couple options in the widget's flyout. Now I've seen a couple other e-commerce widgets out there that have 25 options in the flyout panel. That isn't something I want in our products. It's so confusing, and if you enter a wrong value in there, it can break the whole widget. I want these to be simple and quick to set up. So let's enter our product ID. If you reference back to that product ID in Sellfy, it was 2RGM. So let's just enter that in Muse, 2RGM, okay? And the next thing we need to do is select a button mode. So we can have it open in a pop-up, or we can have it open in a new window like I demoed before. For now, let's just have it open in a pop-up. Now you can see that the price actually updated directly in our button. And if we click File, Preview Page in Browser, and we select the button, our product pops up instantly. And if we click Buy Now, it redirects us to the PayPal page. The reason it's going to PayPal is because I signed up using my PayPal email address. So that's it. That's the entire widget. It's so simple, and actually a really slick way for you to sell digital downloads directly in Muse. So give it a shot and let us know what you think, and we appreciate your support. Cheers.